Hi children, today we are going to learn wild animals name. Come on, let's learn wild animals name. Lion, L-I-O-N, lion. Tiger, T-I-G-E-R, tiger. Elephant, E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T, elephant. Giraffe, G-I-R-A-F-F-E, giraffe. Zebra, Z-E-B-R-A, zebra. Bear, B-E-A-R, bear. Kangaroo, K-A-N-G-A-R-O-O, kangaroo. Panda, P-A-N-D-A, panda. Rhinoceros, R-H-I-N-O-C-E-R-O-S, rhinoceros. Hippopotamus, H-I-P-P-O-P-O-T-A-M-U-S, hippopotamus. Cheetah, C-H-E-E-T-A-H, cheetah. Leopard, L-E-O-P-A-R-D, leopard. Gorilla, G-O-R-I-L-L-A, gorilla. Chimpanzee, C-H-I-M-P-A-N-Z-E-E, chimpanzee. Fox, F-O-X, fox. Wolf, W-O-L-F, wolf. Deer, D-E-E-R, deer. Crocodile, C-R-O-C-O-D-I-L-E, crocodile. Snake, S-N-A-K-E, snake. Ostrich, O-S-T-R-I-C-H, ostrich. Children, let's repeat animals' name one more time. Lion, tiger, elephant, giraffe, zebra, bear, kangaroo, panda, rhinoceros, hippopotamus, cheetah, leopard, gorilla, chimpanzee, fox, wolf, deer, crocodile, snake, ostrich. Let's learn birds' name. Sparrow, S-P-A-R-R-O-W, sparrow. Peacock, P-E-A-C-O-C-K, peacock. Parrot, P-A-R-R-O-T, parrot. Pigeon, P-I-G-E-O-N, pigeon. Crow, C-R-O-W, crow. Ostrich, O-S-T-R-I-C-H, ostrich. Flamingo, F-L-A-M-I-N-G-O, flamingo. Penguin, P-E penguin, penguin. Eagle, eagle, eagle. Eagle, eagle, eagle. Owl, owl, owl. Duck, duck, duck. Swan, swan, swan. Kingfisher, kingfisher, kingfisher. Woodpecker, woodpecker, woodpecker. Hummingbird, hummingBird, hummingbird. Rooster, rooster, rooster. Hen, hen, hen. Canary, canary, canary. Canary, canary, canary. Turkey, turkey, turkey. Cockatoo, cockatoo, cockatoo. Thank you for watching my channel.